Boom, get ready, because ChatGPT Insights is dropping the hottest AI news you need to know. We've got OpenAI's massive Stargate expansion and Sam Altman's mind-blowing infrastructure goals. Next up, we're diving deep into OpenAI's wild $500 billion restructuring, and you won't believe how the pie is being sliced. And we're taking you to Texas for a first look at that colossal Stargate data center, showing you exactly what powers your favorite AI. This is huge, you do not want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Hold on to your hats, folks, because OpenAI is making a giant leap in AI infrastructure. They're expanding their Stargate project with 5 new data center sites across the United States, aiming to fulfill a staggering $500 billion pledge for domestic AI infrastructure. This massive push, in partnership with tech titans Oracle and SoftBank Group, is set to create unparalleled computing power. The new locations, strategically placed in Texas, New Mexico, and Ohio, will collectively boast a 7-gigawatt capacity, enough to power entire cities. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman emphasized the critical need for this infrastructure to drive their groundbreaking AI technology and services, like the wildly popular ChatGPT, now used by an astonishing 700 million people weekly. This expansion signifies a monumental step towards realizing their ambitious vision for the future of artificial intelligence. But what does this mean for the public and the future of AI development? Analysts are buzzing about the sheer scale of investment and its potential to accelerate AI innovation, while communities near proposed sites are weighing the economic benefits against environmental concerns. The sheer ambition behind Stargate is sparking conversations worldwide about the future of computing and AI's place in it. Don't go anywhere, because what Sam Altman wants to build next is even more ambitious. And we're about to break down the mind-boggling deal structure behind OpenAI's future. Get ready for some serious scale, because OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is talking about building AI infrastructure at an almost unbelievable pace. He's envisioning a factory that can churn out a full gigawatt of new AI infrastructure every week. While light on specifics, this points to an insatiable demand for computing power to fuel OpenAI's latest products. Partnering with NVIDIA on what's being called the biggest AI infrastructure deployment in history, Altman is looking at massive data centers, potentially covering millions of square feet. Imagine 60 football fields worth of space just for 1 gigawatt. This relentless pursuit of compute is aimed at unlocking amazing things like curing cancer or providing personalized tutoring to everyone on Earth. However, this vision faces significant hurdles, including immense financing needs and growing concerns from local communities about the environmental impact of these energy-guzzling giants. The debate rages. Is this the key to humanity's future, or a resource-intensive endeavor with unforeseen consequences? But beyond the sheer infrastructure, how is OpenAI itself being reshaped? We're diving into the multi-billion-dollar pie, and who gets the biggest slice? The wait is over. OpenAI's massive corporate restructuring is finally coming to a close, and the $500 billion valuation has been carved up. After months of intense negotiations, Microsoft is set to become the largest shareholder with a 28% stake, valued at a colossal $140 billion. This move solidifies Microsoft's deep ties with OpenAI and paves the way for future growth and a potential IPO. The deal also outlines share allocations for other investors, employee teams, and even early backers, marking a significant shift from OpenAI's original nonprofit roots to a more traditional corporate structure. This transformation aims to remove financing obstacles and attract further investment, but it's raising questions about whether OpenAI is staying true to its founding mission of benefiting all of humanity. The tech world is watching closely as this new structure takes shape, with debates already swirling about the implications for AI's future and who truly controls its development. The sheer scale of this financial overhaul is unprecedented, signaling a new era for the AI giant. And speaking of massive infrastructure, we're going to show you what it looks like on the ground. Get ready for a first-hand look at OpenAI's colossal Texas data center. Feast your eyes on the future of AI, We're getting an exclusive look at OpenAI's Stargate AI data center in Texas, a marvel of engineering and the first of its kind in a planned network of 5 new sites across the U.S. This isn't just any data center. It's a cornerstone of a $500 billion infrastructure investment, heavily promoted by President Donald Trump earlier this year. In partnership with Oracle and SoftBank, this Abilene facility is on track to become the world's largest AI supercluster, housing hundreds of thousands of cutting-edge AI chips. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman and Oracle's co-CEO Clay Magouyak highlighted efforts to mitigate environmental impact, including a closed-loop cooling system and a backup gas-fired power plant, though concerns about energy and water usage persist among local residents. The Stargate project represents a monumental bet on AI's potential, aiming to provide the computing power needed to accelerate innovation and expand OpenAI services, even as it seeks to move beyond its exclusive partnership with Microsoft. This groundbreaking facility is already transforming the local landscape and economy, promising significant job creation while also sparking debate about the balance between technological advancement and community impact. The sheer scale and ambition of Stargate underscore the race to build the foundational infrastructure for the next generation of artificial intelligence. That's a wrap on our deep dive into OpenAI's massive infrastructure plans. But don't go anywhere. We've got a lightning-fast recap of all today's top AI stories coming right up. Wow, what a roundup of AI news. We saw OpenAI massively expand its Stargate data centers, Sam Altman's audacious vision for weekly AI infrastructure production, the groundbreaking $500 billion restructuring of OpenAI with Microsoft taking a major stake, and an inside look at the colossal Texas Stargate facility. If you found this information as mind-blowing as we did, smash that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more cutting-edge AI updates, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Share your thoughts on these developments in the comments below, and follow us on all social media platforms to stay connected. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.